सर कल के तो 650 व्यूज हो गए दिख रहे हैं।
हाँ सर,
कल 650 व्यूज वगैरह दिख रहे हैं बोला कल के
हाँ हाँ हाँ
यूट्यूब चैनल के आपके।
हाँ।
दादा याचा स्क्रीनशॉट नाही काढता येत का आता माझ्या मोबाईल वरून? हो का? हो केलं ते मी.
अभी लाइव हो गए अपन ना यूट्यूब पे।
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
अरे दादा कशाचं स्वप्न दिसलं रे तुला? कशाचा? इकडे का म्हटलं ऐकायला
सर सर हम लोग लाइव हो गए हैं यूट्यूब पे।
सर लाइव हो गए हम लोग। हाँ
Ali sir, we are here. Live.
कुठं आले होते आपल्या? मग पप्पाला का केलं त्याने?
अखिलेश सर,
हाँ जी,
एक बार थोड़ा बोरकर सर को फोन लगा के देख लो। उनका ऑडियो वीडियो वो अंदर तो दिख रहा है, लेकिन सर का ऑडियो और वीडियो दोनों बंद दिख रहा है।
सर मैं यहाँ पे ही हूँ।
आपकी चालू हुए। हाँ सर,
सर, मैं इधर ही हूँ।
गुड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर पनिकर ये।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
क्या?
Good morning, doctor.
सर मैं इधर ही था,
हाँ
11 बजे का वेट कर रहा था।
हाँ नहीं, I
Very
mean,
good
we
morning,
just
sir.
wanted to ensure that you are there
Yes,
by all means.
yes, yes, yes.
good morning, Burger.
Good morning sir, good morning. Good
Yes.
morning all.
पेशवे सर एक सबका इंट्रोडक्शन करा देते सर से तब तक तो।
बुरकर सर अभी अपने साथ ऑन स्क्रीन ज्वाइन हो गए हैं। सबसे पहले तो पनिकर सर जो आप बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो पहले से, और जिनके बारे में मैं हमेशा जिक्र करता रहा आपके साथ। Then we have online Principal Dr. Tale. He is Principal of Barrister Sheshrao Wankhede College.
नमस्कार सर।
Also Secretary of Principal Forum. We have with us Dr. Chetan Masram sir from SN Moore College, sir, very vibrant, very active. And then Dr.
Namaskar, sir.
Thank you. Namaskar, sir.
Dr. Naik from Umate College. I am there. And
नमस्कार सर।
our incubation center sale in charge Lieutenant Ambekar is there with us.
प्रशांत, नमस्कार। हेलो हेलो सर। we will start at 11 na?
Yeah, 11 sharp.
Yes.
Sir.
Sharp 11.
How we will come to know that how many participants are there? So
So we can see the number of views on the YouTube channel.
okay, it is also parallelly available.
Yeah.
Yeah, parallel.
We have restricted this Zoom to a couple of people only.
Okay,
It's actually being streamed live on YouTube as well.
that's
So
why I
the
just see here
participants are
ना।
mostly on YouTube.
अच्छा, मैंने अभी यहाँ पे सिर्फ 8 ही participants देखे। So
हाँ नहीं, Zoom पे because there might be load of video and audio as well, and then it might affect the streaming quality.
okay,
We have not given the Zoom link to the participants.
okay, no issue.
Uh,
Well,
Just sir, Burkar sir, just a quick, I'm just checking the flow of activity of the program today. Panikar sir will take over very soon. He will introduce you and your session will start immediately. We're
Yes.
not, immediately it will be your, and then after that there will be question answer session. I'll be there helping you with question answer session. And then Dr. Masram sir will take over.
yeah.
ओके सर।
हाँ 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 बोलिए ना सर। हाँ किसका? नहीं ऐसा कुछ आया नहीं है अभी भी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। हाँ नहीं वो कैसा है, जब तक स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं बता नहीं सकते।
सर कल का सेशन कैसे रहा?
बहुत अच्छा रहा सर।
ओके, सो एनी फीडबैक?
फीडबैक आज मिलेगा, क्योंकि
अच्छा,
फीडबैक फॉर्म कल नहीं दिया था हम लोगों ने।
ओके ओके। पेशवे सर तुमचा माईक म्यूट आहे, त्याच्यामुळे आवाज येत नाहीये.
Sorry. I was saying कि wonderful feedback. Very, I mean, she simplified these complicated things so well, and we greatly appreciate her for her contribution yesterday.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू. नहीं, हम तो लोग आपके जैसे प्रोफेसर तो नहीं है. वी आर एक्चुअली टेक्निकल पीपल एंड वी आर वर्किंग फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन एंड ग्रांटिंग ऑफ पेटेंट. टोटली वी आर एक्चुअली टेक्निकल पीपल.
Right, sir. वही और एक हमारा
बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिव as much as possible, as informative as possible.
हमारा मकसद यही था कि एक टीचिंग फ्रेटर्निटी, those who are interested and have lot of ideas, वो आपसे जुड़ जाए और ज्यादा अच्छा सब हो.
बिल्कुल. सर अभी कोई कॉलेज में आईपी सेल बनाया है अभी आपके यहाँ पे?
Almost, sir, every college has that. Yeah.
आईपीआर सेल है सभी जगह पे.
वो सर आईपीआर सेल नहीं है, वो इनोवेशन एंड इंक्यूबेशन सेल करके है वो.
पर एक्चुअली सर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आईपीआर सेल होना चाहिए और एक आईपीआर पॉलिसी हर एक इंस्टीट्यूट की होनी चाहिए. अगर आप देखेंगे बड़े बड़े कॉलेजेस में, तो अगर कल्चर अगर आपको लाना है हर जगह पे, तो एक आईपी सेल और आईपी पॉलिसी होना मस्ट है, जिसमें आप उनको मोटिवेट करें. जैसे कल शायद बताया होगा पूजा ने कि आप जब भी आईपीआर पॉलिसी बनाते हो तो उनको मोटिवेट करना जरूरी है, स्टूडेंट्स या फैकल्टीज को, बाय वे ऑफ सम इंसेंटिव्स, सम रिवार्ड्स, सर्टिफिकेट और सम रॉयल्टी शेयरिंग एग्रीमेंट्स which should be in a part of your IP policy. So if this culture you want to make in your colleges or institute or university, you should have some appreciate to the inventors who are working actually. For example, many times you are publishing the papers in journals, okay? So आपको जर्नल में पेपर पब्लिश करने के बाद फायदा क्या मिलता है? आपको एक रिकॉग्निशन मिलता है, आपको एक रेफरेंस नंबर मिलता है कि सो एंड सो जर्नल हैज बीन पब्लिश आपके नाम से. तो ये आपका एक वेटेज होता है आपके आगे के कैरियर्स के लिए. सिमिलरली अगर पेटेंट्स मिलने के बाद भी, जैसा कुछ पॉइंट्स तो अभी दिए गए हैं नैक और जो इसमें, पर ये अपने कॉलेज की तरफ से अगर कुछ होगा तो डेफिनेटली मोर एंड मोर आईपीस विल बी प्रोटेक्टेड इन ऑल कॉलेजेस. एंड एक कमर्शियलाइजेशन टीम भी होनी चाहिए, नॉट ओनली फॉर फाइलिंग ऑफ पेटेंट्स और आईपीआरस, यू शुड कमर्शियलाइज ऑल्सो. क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम एक आधा आईपी अगर हम लोग कमर्शियलाइज करते हैं, एक भी पेटेंट अगर हम लोग बेचते हैं, तो उससे कितना अमाउंट मिल सकता है यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन. तो लाइफ चेंजिंग हो सकता है.
सर वो इनोवेशन और इंक्यूबेशन सेल जो है,
हाँ,
एक्सपेक्टेड है कि वो ये सब काम करे.
हाँ यस.
वो नैक का जो फ्रेमवर्क है उसमें इनोवेशन एंड इंक्यूबेशन सेल का ही रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है सारा ये काम करना, अवेयरनेस करना, अवेयरनेस ये करना. और आप जो बोल रहे इंसेंटिव्स, वो तो कॉलेज का अपना अपना एक ये हो सकता है. वैसे पेशवे सर आपको बता सकेंगे कि अपने यहाँ एक नवीन करके प्रोजेक्ट चलता है, उसमें रमन साइंस सेंटर, VIA वगैरह सब इन्वॉल्व है. तो हमारे यहाँ से भी कई प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी चल रहे हैं उसमें.
सर अगर आप IIT का वेबसाइट देखेंगे, हर एक IIT का VNITs के वेबसाइट देखेंगे, तो वो लोग उनका एक IP पॉलिसी है और IP सेल्स है जिसमें लिखा गया है इट इज अप्रूव्ड बाय देयर डायरेक्टर्स, ओके, बोर्ड ऑफ मेंबर्स. सो देयर विल बी नो हर्डल्स टू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट. एंड दूसरा आप देखेंगे उनकी वेबसाइट में, तो लोग पेटेंट बेचते रहते हैं, वेबसाइट में पेटेंट्स आर अवेलेबल टू सेल और इंडस्ट्रीज आर अप्रोचिंग देम टू परचेज दोस पेटेंट्स, ड्यू टू विच दे आर गेटिंग एन नंबर ऑफ फंड्स।
बात सही है।
Yes, yes.
वो फंड्स अपने फर्दर R&D के लिए दे आर सेल्फ रिलायंस हो जाते हैं वो लोग, so they don't require any money from governments. If you adopt such culture in your organization, so definitely you will your institute will automatically grow. Ideas तो काफी रहते हैं पर it should be appreciated.
हाँ.
एक आपला नवीन म्हणून प्रोजेक्ट चालतो सर, नूतन आविष्कार विचार, जो पनीकर सर बोल रहे थे, तो पनीकर सर से कॉलेज के कम से कम 10-15 तो एंट्रीज है उसमें। कमला नेहरू कॉलेज है अपना यहाँ का, नागपुर का, वहाँ के है, वहाँ का तो ऑलमोस्ट मार्केटेबल प्रोडक्ट तक गया है, और 7-8 जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट अभी पेटेंटिंग के क्लोज है। दी होल आइडिया इज VIA जो विदर्भ विज्ञान भारती VIA और ये रमन साइंस ऐसा मिलके चलाते हो, उसमें एक्सपर्ट्स का पैनल है, और जैसे VIA वो स्पॉन्सर करता है उसको 1 साल का मेंबरशिप रमन साइंस में, उसका इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर यूज करने के लिए। रमन साइंस डायरेक्टर कैन फाइनेंस सम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स। बच्चे जैसे फाइनेंशियली वीक है लेकिन आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है, तो दे डू दैट। तो पीपल इफ कांटेक्ट मी और कार्तिक पनीकर सर, तो हम लोग वो रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं इनटू दैट प्रोजेक्ट,
कर सकते हैं।
एक अच्छा तगड़ा नेटवर्क अपना आपसी रहे तो बच्चों का बहुत भला हो जाएगा इसमें।
हाँ,
इनफैक्ट इन द इंट्रो दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड कि वी मस्ट स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इन आवर ओन इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी।
मैंने सर एक्चुअली एक ग्रुप बनाया है, विदर्भ कॉलेजेस ग्रुप करके एक है IPR के लिए, उसमें भी आप जुड़ सकते हो। तो उससे एक फायदा होगा कि आपकी जो भी दिक्कत आ रही है और कुछ हमसे गाइडेंस चाहिए तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन गिव, और यू कैन इंटरेक्ट विद ईच अदर आल्सो।
वंडरफुल सर, हम लोग वी वुड लाइक टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट।
हाँ सर, पेशवे सर के पास हमने दिया है। अगर मेरा नंबर पे आप अगर आपका नंबर टेक्स्ट करेंगे तो आई कैन ऐड इन आवर ग्रुप। मेरा नंबर 92244 25 777। अराउंड 40-50 कॉलेजेस हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं।
हाँ, तो हमारे जो इनोवेशन इंक्यूबेशन वाले हैं, हम भी ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे, उनको भी बोलेंगे ज्वाइन होने के लिए, सो दैट दे आर आल्सो अपडेटेड, क्योंकि वही उनके पास एक टीम रहती है जिसके साथ वो काम करते हैं सर। वो
बिल्कुल सर,
तो हम लोग भी रहेंगे उसके अंदर में, उनको भी ऐड कर लेंगे, सो दैट वी आर ऑल इन टच विथ द लेटेस्ट हैपनिंग्स।
पेशवे सर, बाकीच्या लोकांना पण आपण ऍड करूया ना?
एब्सोल्युटली, या डेफिनेटली।
तो आपला विदर्भ कॉलेज ग्रुप जो आहे ना बनवलेला, तो पूर्ण आहे।
हाँ, जरूर करेंगे
सर। कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट द नंबर?
922
हाँ
44
हाँ
25
हाँ
777।
ओके सर, थँक यू।
ओके सर। तर मला वाटतं 11
येस 11 झाले आहे, सो वी कैन
वी स्टार्ट विद इट।
यस यस यस। सिर्फ हमारे साहब आए कि एक बार नजर मार लेना कार्तिक, और स्टार्ट।
नहीं, वेटिंग में अभी कोई नहीं है,
बस चलो,
वेटिंग में कोई नहीं है।
यस,
वी कैन स्टार्ट विद इट।
एब्सोल्युटली।
वी कैन वेट 5 मिनट्स आल्सो। कोई आने का है सर?
नहीं 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 नहीं
नहीं, बाकी सब आ गए हैं, वो पार्टिसिपेंट्स तो यूट्यूब पे ज्वाइन कर लेंगे सर।
ओके ओके, ठीक है सर।
कार्तिक प्लीज।
या hello, a very good morning to all of you, respected principals of the organizing colleges, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Dr. Vikas Rumne sir, Dr. RG Tale, Dr. DV Naik, Dr. Chetan Kumar Masram, the IQAC coordinators of all the 5 host colleges, the innovation and incubation cell coordinators of the colleges, participants, from different parts of the country, and we are happy to know that some students have also joined us. I welcome you all to the second day of the FDP. Yesterday we had a wonderful presentation from Pooja Maulikar. Today again we have a very important resource person, a person who knows IPR like the back of his hand, and we will be seeing his presentation. We'll get to a lot about IPR, the process for getting the IPR in detail from the resource person, Dr. Pankaj Borkar. I have the honor of introducing him. Dr. Pankaj Borkar is presently the Deputy Controller of Patents and Design at Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. Basically, with MBA, he has done postgraduate in patents law from NALSAR, the National Law School, Hyderabad. He also has a PhD in IPR. So you can just estimate, you can just appreciate how much he knows about IPR, the different aspects of IPR. Because of his quest for knowledge in the field of IPR, he was deputed twice for training to Tokyo, Japan on examination and IPR. He has also undergone training from European Union India program on patents. He has delivered more than 250 lectures on IPR in various parts of the country, and we are indeed honored to have somebody very close to us in Nagpur who knows almost everything about IPR and who can guide us about IPR. I don't think there would be a better person to guide us about IPR. Sir, I welcome you to this second day of the faculty development program, and I now request you to start your address and presentation. Sir, Dr. Borkar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to thank all the principals, Eshwe sir, Parnikar sir, Tale sir, Naik sir, Ambekar sir, and Masram sir, and all the faculties, all the students, and all the participants who are watching here. I would like to welcome on the behalf of RGNFM for this faculty development program from RGNFM Nagpur. Can you please allow me, sir, to share my screen?
Yes. Yeah, of course, sir. You can go ahead, sir.
Can you allow me? Actually, it is not possible.
Okay,
Karthik, disable.
Yeah, no, sir. You just have to share your screen. It's already on.
Host disabled participant screen sharing.
Just wait.
The message is coming actually. So before till this problem will solve.
Nadeem?
Yes. Now it is started.
Yes, sir. So, you have to make sir co-admin.
Could I? Okay. Just wait.
Co-host.
Is it visible?
Yeah, sir. It's there. Make it. Yeah. Now it's full screen now.
Okay. So I think yesterday we have discussed about the various intellectual property rights. What are various intellectual property rights? And mostly we will discuss today patent and procedures, searching, and what are the various important aspects of patent. Okay. So I just want to do just in 5 minutes about what is the difference between all these IPR. Many times what happened, there is a confusion that yes, patent, trademark, copyright, which IP should be protected. Many times कहा जाता है कि patent का trademark करना है, patent का designs करना है. So this concept should be very clear. Okay. So what is the difference between IPs? These patents, trademarks, copyrights, and design. Patents are only for the inventions. If you see my presentation, it is very clear. Patents are for inventions which are able to manufacture. Okay. Patents are for invention which must be manufactured. Okay. It can be a product. It can be an apparatus. it can be a method, it can be a process, or it can be a system also. So if any inventions you are there, if any inventions are there with you, which can be manufacturable, okay, just ideas are not patentable, okay. So if such inventions are there, which can be manufacturable, okay, and it should be new technology. First important criteria of patent is it should be novel, okay. I will give the details about the novel. It should be inventive, it should be non-obvious, and it should be manufacturable, that is industrial applicable. That means it can be reproducible. And next part is it should be not fall in the category of non-patentable invention, as we discussed on yesterday. There are categories of non-patentable inventions which cannot be give patent. Like we cannot give the method of agriculture, we are not giving a method of treatment, we are not giving patent for computer program per se. So traditional knowledge we are not giving, discovery we are not giving. So it should not fall under this category of non-patentable invention. So first criteria is it should be invention, it should be manufacturable, okay. It should be having some technology involved. So that means you should identify some problem to the solution, identify some problem and provide some solution to the existing problem. Then only you can apply for the patent. Okay, this is about the patents. If you see, the life of patent is 20 years. So if you see the at left corner, so this is the, I think, regulator, gas regulator, which has some inventions. It regulates the pressure, how much pressure is there, so that you did not require to, हम लोग काफी टाइम सिलेंडर हिला के देखते हैं ना, ये दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली इन ऑल द हाउस. तो हम हर बार सिलेंडर देखते हैं कितना प्रेशर है भाई, कि आधा हुआ कि नहीं, फिर हमको गैस नंबर लगाना है कि नहीं. So they have provided one meter in the regulator. So these are, you have to identify small problems. Small or problems also can be patented. Almost I can give you 99% patents are filed only for the improvement of just technologies which is already patented. Just improvement. But provided that improvement should be novel, inventive and industrial application. Okay, it should be novel, it should be inventive, and you are solving some problem, okay, so that it can be patented. Okay, so this is the patent. Now coming to the designs, what is the difference between patents and design? Okay, this is the main actually concern. Many times many people are discussing the patents ka design karna hai. It is very common word, so differentiation should be there. Design is nothing but the outer configuration of any product. Okay, aesthetic to make that product beautiful. Okay, that means a design shall be outer configuration of product which is applied to any article in 2D or in a 3D way to for beautiful the product, to make the product beautiful. Okay, so main purpose of the product is to make product beautiful, to attract the people. So patent is for technology, and this is the only changing the any outer configuration of product. For example, see the example is I have given here. That camera is there. If you see the pop-up camera, there are 3 cameras, 4 cameras, or n number of cameras can be possible. So pop-up cameras are there. This is the design actually of the camera or of the mobile. So it is only outer configuration of the product. It can be changing of the shape of your jug bottle, mobile phone, even slipper, chappal, mouse, okay, this screen which we are seeing, or anything, any product outer configuration if you are changing. But here important thing is it should be new. Inventive is not as such required. Okay, that design should be novel. Okay, that design should not be available in art, in a prior art. Okay, and that it should be applied. That design is not a sketching. Sketch drawings are not a design. That design should be applied to particular product. Then it can be design protected. Okay, so it's again life is 15 years. If you see 10 plus 5, it can be protected for 10 plus 5. So this is designs. Trademarks. Trademark is only for the logos. Okay, word, logo, slogan like Dil Mange More. So it is a slogan. It can be protected by trademark. Logo, Pepsi, Cola, If you see the Tata, Bata, these are Mahindra, McDonald. This is the brand name actually for the particular products. You are trusting those brand and you are going to that brand only. Bisleri, you are purchasing Bisleri bottles only. Okay, you are not going in other places. So this is the trademark actually. Okay, so its life is again 10 years and it can be renewed. See, the patent life is only 20 years. Design is only limited to 15 years. Okay, now trademark, if you see, it is 10 years, 10 years, 10 years, unlimited years you can protect. You have to renew it after every 10 years. Okay, so it is a powerful, it is a brand name actually. Ola, Uber, this Zoom app. So it is all, these are protected by various trademarks. So coming to the copyrights now, copyright is the artistic word. Drawings, paintings, songs. If you have any cinema, for example, we are watching all the movies. Okay, this presentation may be also protected. So if I say here that it is copyrighted, so it is mine work. Okay, this table I have created, so it is my right. Nobody can use without my permission. If I give this statement is, so definitely it is protected. It is not required to protect. Copyright is an inherent right. Okay, it is not required to protect. It is inherent right. Okay, but for the court proceedings, definitely you can register at various websites. Okay, so it is given for the drama, watch, songs, music, painting, artistic work, any plans, architectural drawings also, it can be protected by copyrights. Books, many times you are writing books, essays also, so it can be copyrighted. So its life is actually, it's the life of author, lifetime of author, life of the author, plus 60 years. Okay, Kishore Kumar is not there. Okay, but his songs are also protected. Okay, up to 60 years. So all this is the power of actually song. You cannot utilize here for commercial gain. So you want to play this song, you have to take the permission from Copyright Society. Okay, so these things are copyrighted. And GI is geographical indication is place names. It is only like Nagpur orange, Kolhapuri chappal. It is given to particular group of society. It is not inherent right of person, particular person. It is the right given to the particular society. For example, Nagpur orange. So Nagpur orange is not given to A person or B person. It is society has been formed by the government of Maharashtra. Collector has formed this society. They come together and growers of manufacture of orange growers are come at a particular, they are registered there to form their society and they apply for that Nagpur orange. So Nagpur orange cannot be grown at Pune or Goa or any part of India and sell as a Nagpur orange. So if Nagpur orange is there and anybody is selling as a Nagpur orange, they can take the legal actions against that person who is selling. Okay, if Nagpur orange tag is there, particular GI. Okay, so again it is the term is 10 years and it can be renewed again 10 years. So this is the basic difference of patent, designs, trademarks, copyright. I just take 5 minutes. Actually, it is sometimes it is repetition, but it is required to be given. Now, why this intellectual property is important for all of you? All people are hearing, listening. Many times it is a you may already seen this. Some already some slides are there which may already you gone through in another lectures. But many times this is now a fastest growing field in the world. If I'm not saying this, you can search in the Google website. So actually, this is the actually top 10 fastest growing in the world field. In India also. So definitely in coming 5 to 10 years, the things will definitely change due to intellectual property rights. Why? Intellectual property is playing the very important role to boost the economy. This is not my wording. Okay. If you don't protect your property, you will lose it. Other will protect. Others will not harm. No? They will protect their property, your property, and then definitely it will be sold in your market at higher prices. So if you don't protect, others will protect. Okay. So why this is important actually? You can do many things. You can file the patents, you can file trademarks, copyright, designs. You can become a registered patent agent. This is a very good exam actually, which is conducted by Patent Office. If you see our website, ipindia.gov.in, patent agent exam is announced actually 3-4 months back. You can see there, science graduates are required. Becoming a trademark copyright, you can practice in trademark copyrights. Law graduates can practice. You can have a, if your college, you should have a IPR policy. It is must actually. And IP cell, you can form the intellectual property cell if you want to develop culture in various society. We have developed such cultures in Mumbai and Pune region. Definitely NGO, you can form an NGO also for IPR firm, you can have an IP firm. You can join our patent office as well or trademark copyright office. So these are the things. This is our website ipindia.gov.in. It contains huge information about the patents forms, trademark form, copyright form, design form. You did not require to go to patent offices. As I discussed yesterday, as Pooja has discussed, so there are offices at various jurisdiction wise offices are available, but you need not require to go. Nowadays, all things are online. Even filing, processing, grant, paying of renewal fee, all the processing has been already carried by online. Okay, you need not require anything. So you can also do these things. You can file also patents, copyrights, trademarks. Many people are doing. If you are the inventors, very simple approach. While carrying out any project, while carrying out any research work, identify some problem. Okay, identify. Always you should be. I heard this in a very international forum actually. For example, you want to protect your IPRs. You should be a observer, and you always find out the nooks. उन्हें क्या घर में बताते हैं कि ये फाइंड आउट कर रहा है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे ये अच्छा नहीं है, वहाँ पे ये अच्छा नहीं है. This is very good actually if you want to become an inventor. So always problem ढूंढते रहिए. उसका problems you write down in some place. Always it is very important. Write down this problem. Particular, you can make a chart. Okay. Try to find out the solution. If it is not possible, you can have a brainstorming session in your colleges, institute, or your friends. You can discuss with these problems, and then definitely with NDAs, definitely it is very important. Signature of NDA is also very important. Non-disclosure agreement. For example, many times you have problems and solution as well, but if your that product you are discussing with others, it may harm you. He may file the patents or designs, or he may protect. So even though many times you are giving trials to the other labs, testing for the testing purpose. So definitely, in that case, in such cases, you did not require to worry. Okay, you can sign the NDA agreement. If it is not signed agreement, then definitely there are chances to leak the information, and that information may be given to some other person, and it may publish or it may use in some other forms. So definitely you try to solve problems. And for example, you are the students or colleges, many times what happened, or in institutes or the professors who are listening me. So what happened, many times you are having a lot of projects from your students. So what happened in a year, many projects are coming, and they are just taking, they are just as a record, it is putting in a library or record room. So you should make a actually database of all these projects. Try to see which are very important projects, and don't throw away that projects into dustbin or just put it in a library record. Try to develop those projects in first year, second year, third year by other students. So definitely sometime it will come that project may be patented. So some common mistakes by the inventors, actually what happened, many times these inventors or renowned persons, they are publishing their ideas into journals. They are publishing their ideas into papers. They are discussing in media. So what happened here, when you are publishing all these ideas, where is the novelty then? Okay, so you will lose your novelty. Okay, so my suggestion is, first, if it is patentable product or process or design, you first apply these IPRs to the patent office and then go for publication. So don't publish blindly into anywhere in the any article. Many times what happens, some use of invention in public or commercial use invention even prior to filing of patent. This is also one of the common thing, which is already it is that product is you try to market. Okay, so you cannot file those patent application if it is in market. You will lose your novelty. Many times this is a myth actually for the inventors or innovators. They are waiting till fully development of that product. Many times the inventors are discussing with me that my technology is still under development. So trial runs are going on. I don't have a model. I don't have a prototype of that product. So I just want to clarify here. Okay. Patent office is never asking model. Patent office is not asking prototype or model. It is only required when there is some confusion. Under Rule 16, model may be required. Okay, but at the time of further discussion in 2 years, 3 years, maybe. Okay, so this is the thing. Actually, this is the actually myth. Actually, many times. So what coming to the patent, yesterday we discussed this. Patent is a right which is given by the government of India to the applicant. Here, right is given to the patent holder, that is applicant. Here two important aspects here. One is applicant and one is inventor. So applicant means who is applying for the patent. Okay, whose name as an applicant. So inventors are those persons who are inventing the technology. So patent is owned by, that means this right, monopoly right is owned by applicant only, not inventors. Okay, so this right has been given for 20 years for the commercial gain. The purpose of IP patenting system is to get the commercial. If you see Google patents or anywhere, definitely many patents are commercialized and they are earning money. And what the government is asking from you, that you should disclose full technology to the patent office. Okay, and due to which your technology will come to the patent office. Okay, due to which patent office will get a particular database in which particular ideas are there. There is a single database which contains all information about the innovations. So anybody can search that whether such data is available or not. Okay, I will come into that next slides. So it is a territory right and it is a not worldwide right. Territory right means it is only when you apply patent in India, you will get this monopoly right in India. You want to apply, you want to protect in other countries, you have to apply in other countries. Okay, America, Russia, China, etc. You have to apply in various countries. So it is a particular territory right. So it is a not as such worldwide right. There is an international patent application through which you can file to various countries, but it is a not as such worldwide right. You have to go to each and every country where your product is marketed or may be marketed, or you can sell that product. Many times what happens, inventors or applicants who are filing the patent application, they immediately, when they file the provisional patent application, immediately sell that product to industries in a particular cost, and then international patents are filed by that third applicant who is the that technology has been sold. So once you transfer your rights, you cannot own that right. So as an important here aspect is, patent is owned by the applicant only. Okay. Now here, if you want inventors, your name should be there in the patent application. Okay. When patent is granted, you can file Form 8. You can note down. You can file Form 8, due to which your name will be printed in patent certificate. which gives the recognition to the inventor as well, that so and so inventors also there. When you see the patent certificate which is granted by the government, so only applicant name is printed, okay, normally. But if you file this form 8, then inventor names also will be printed there, okay. So patent right is given to the applicant and only for the limited period of 20 years only. So this right, monopoly right, which is given to the applicant, is for manufacturing, selling, preventing others, preventing to the competitors, as a licensing, cross licensing, assigning to the third party, imported patented product, okay, improve further research and development. So primary purpose of the patenting system is to avoid the duplication of work. Okay, so data will be at one place and everybody will search. So my humble submission to all the, who are watching here, before carrying out any research work, at least search Google Patents, our website ipindia.gov.in or USPTO or European Patent Office website. You will get thousands of patents related to your technology. So you will get every data, how it is manufactured, data also, charts also, flow charts also, everything is there. Okay, you just try there. If you don't want to patent it also, but you can see how it is. So coming to the patents, it is very important aspect that you should know about the discovery and patent, discovery and inventions. So here, discovery is nothing but the finding a new thing, property of known material of other article. It is not having such technical effect. So discovery cannot be patented. Discovery means anything which is already existing. Anything which is already existing cannot be patented. So what is patented? Patented can be only inventions are patented. So inventions only can be patented as per the Patent Act. So what is invention? Invention means a new product or process. Inventions can be given to the product or process. Product means any device, product, system, apparatus, or process. Process means process, method, so system. So it can be patented, provided it should be novel, as I discussed in first slide. Second is it should be inventive, non-obvious. Third important is it should be industrial application. So we will discuss one by one. What is the novel? Novel means it should not be available in prior art. It is not been disclosed in prior art. So what is this prior art? Prior art means it is not published anywhere in the world. It is not disclosed. It is not presented before the filing of patent application or any form of publication which is already there in the patent office website. And what is this inventive step? And inventive means non-obvious. What is that? It should be like that. For example, features of invention that involves a technical advancement. For example, your invention is having some technical advancement. Technical advancement means compared to the existing knowledge. If in a prior art, for example, this camera is there, okay? So this camera is, for example, 3 megapixel camera. Now you improve such technology, size of the camera is reduced and clarity is reduced. It is now 50 megapixel camera or 100 megapixel camera. So it is a
Yes, sir. You can begin your presentation.
Yeah. My voice is audible?
Yes.
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 Yes. Sorry, due to interruption, there is some technical problem from my end, I think. So, what is the inventive step? You must know actually that any technical advancement to the prior art. If you solve any problem in from the prior art, okay, right? Any technology you are improving to the prior art, definitely it is inventive. Or here it is, or is there, or there is some economic significance. You are saving some cost. Any process is having carried out in 10 minutes. Now you identified some process with 8 minutes or 7 minutes. So definitely it is having economic significance. So if a product or process having some technical advancement or some economic significance, yes, that product is or a process should be inventive. You can go ahead for filing patent if it is not category in non-patentable. Some indications for non-obviousness are some surprising results are there to your products. The solution for the long-lasting problem, then fulfillment of long need which is required. Yes, बहुत साल से जरूरत थी. Yes, this is the, yes, this product is required from people are waiting for this product. Okay. Then great technical progress. If such are things are there, definitely you can analyze yourself and then definitely you can test. So filing to the India, coming to the patent filing, how to file patent application in India. So here are 4 categories of applicants, 3 to 4 categories. Fees are divided into 3 different categories. 3 different categories. If you see our Patent Act, patent rules, there are 3 categories of applicant. Either individual or natural person. So what is the individual and natural person? They are same. For example, 10 applicants are also can file as a natural person category. So if as a this individual category, if you file, fees for online filing will be 1600. 1600 रुपए में पेटेंट फाइल कर सकते हो एज अ प्रोविजनल पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन. ओके, तो पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन विद द फीस ऑफ 1600 फॉर natural person or individual. The fees are not so high. It will be for Indian and foreign applicant also. For legal entity means any company, any organization, any educational institute, okay, any partnership firm, then the fees will be 8,000 rupees. Second category of the applicant. Okay, any organization also, NGO also. So another is small entity, MSME. If your company is MSME, then fees will be 4,000 rupees. Okay, startup also. If you are the startup, okay, startup also there is a categories actually. If you see the, if startup is filing with the natural person, the fees will be 1600. If startup only filing the patent application, the fees will be 1600. Okay, fees for MSME is 4,000 rupees. So these are the categories who can file the patent application. Okay, next will be the how can it will be filed, which jurisdiction it should be filed. So the patent application should be filed as per the proper jurisdiction. Okay, there are appropriate jurisdictions are available as per the rule 4 and 5 of the Patent Act. So coming to the 4 offices, if you see the Mumbai region, so you are from Nagpur or Maharashtra, okay, or Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, okay, this region, western part of the India, if it is covered by the Mumbai Patent Office, okay. So you have to select when filing online, you have to select Mumbai office. If you are from the south zone, okay, like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Union Territories of Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, Telangana, you can file to the Chennai Patent Office. Third is if you are from the north zone, okay, upper side of the country, like Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, okay. So this you can file to the Delhi office, and Kolkata for the eastern part you can file. So what are the minimum documents required for filing? These are very important actually. First is you can should give the covering letter. Covering letter is very important, and you can give the details about patent application number or anything. You should always give the covering letter with the number, reference number, or you can annex your documents are attached here. With which documents you are attaching, you can write down, and you can always refer to the controller of patent respective office, patent office, Mumbai patent office, Delhi patent office, Kolkata, like that. Okay. So first is application number form number 1. Application form number 1. This is the application form for grant of patent. So this is very important form and it is not very hard to fill. Then second is proof of right assignment document. What is this assignment document? It is a document which is which rights has been given to the applicant. So inventors are giving rights to the applicant. That means assignment. So this document is already there in form number 1. But if this form number 1 is not able to sign, but due to some problem, it can be filed. This assignment document can be filed up to 6 months. Okay. Separate deed of assignment also you can file. It should be notarized. Okay. So inventors are assigning their rights to the applicant. What is assigning rights? What is this meaning? Assignment meanings inventors are selling entire rights to the applicant. He cannot claim rights later on. Okay. That means inventor has been transferred all the rights to the applicant. Okay. This is very important actually. Assignment is very, very important in form number 1. When you file form number 1 and para number 10, if you sign, that means there is a declaration that inventors have given all the rights to the applicant. Then inventors rights has been already given to the applicant. Second is form number 2. Form number 2 is the most important form. It is your patent actually. It is provisional patent application or complete specification you can file. We will show you the format. Now next is form number 3. Form number 3 is statement and undertaking. We will come to that. Declaration of inventorship. Form number 5. Request for examination. Without that, your application will not be examined. Form number 18. Drawings, abstract, fees. Fees are required. Fees you can file hard copy also to the patent office, or you can send online also. You can post also. Don't use courier. We are not accepting any courier applications. Any couriers we are not accepting. So post you can send only through post means. So when you are sending any DD via courier or post office, so refer DD should be in the name of controller of patent and respective branch, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, as the case may be. Okay. All the fees you can pay. So when you file the online application, the fees will be, for example, filing 1600, as I told you. But when you file a hard copy, the fees will be 10% extra. So by post you send, so it is a hard copy. So when you are filing hard copy, the fees will be 1750. Okay, 10% fees will be extra. So there is an optional form number 9 for early publication. Early publication, you want to early publish your application, then there is a form number 9. We will discuss power of attorney. When you appoint any patent agent, please note you should appoint only registered patent agent. Any advocate cannot become a registered patent agent. So you should see the patent office website ipindia.gov.in. There is an option for comprehensive e-filing. In that, registered of patent agents are available. You can ask the person that what is your patent agent number. You can verify there whether this patent agent is active or not. Okay, and whether it is his name details are available in our website or not. So then only you can give to the patent agents. And certified copy in the case of international application or conventional application. This is not in your case. Okay. As I told, basic filing fee, online fees is 1600 rupees for natural, 4000 for small entity, 8000 for others. The fees will be, only these fees are there for online filing fees. Okay. Your size of documents. So when you file the patent application, you should file in English or Hindi. You should use the A4 sheet. Don't use any green papers. Okay, white paper you should use. It should be very strong. And large legible characters, not less than 0.28 centimeter. That means 12 size font you can use. There should be 1.5 spacing should be there, and margin should be there at 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter across the patent, and numbering should be there in 5th line of the pages of all the specification. That means form 2, all the form 2, how many number pages are there? It means numbering should be there after every 5th line. That means now form number 1 is mandatory, and then form number 18 is also mandatory. So form number 18 can be filed up to 4 years, 48 months. This form number 18 is not required at the time of filing. It depends on your interest whether you want to file or not. So it depends on your interest. You can withdraw also later on. So this form 18 can be filed up to 4 years. The fees will be for natural person or individual or group of person. It will be 4,000 for natural person. For legal entity, it will be 20,000. Like colleges, organization, the fees will be 20,000 rupees for online filing fees. Form number 9, request for early publication. So your application will be immediately published within 1 or 2 months. Normal publication time for publication is 18 months, okay, by the patent office. It is a standard time all over the world, okay. So after 18 months, your application will be published. But if you want to quickly publish within 1 month or 2 months, you can file Form 9. But it can be filed only if you file the complete specification. There are 2 types of specification we will see in my coming slide: provisional specification and complete specification. But when you file the complete specification, then you can file this Form 9. So early publication, immediately you can publish within 1 or 2 months. 2,500 rupees fees is there for the natural person, that means individual, and for others it will be 12,500 rupees for Form 9. So if you see in our patent office journal, if you see here, see the 2020 application is also published. 2020 application number is there. Publish. A means publish. Date of publication is there. This is the title of your invention. This is the date of filing of patent application. This is the name of applicant. These are the inventor's name. This is the classification, and this is the abstract your application, and how many pages and claims are there, it is mentioned. So you can see all the details from this specification. If you go to our website and see that patent, about the patent information, you can get all details about how this forms has been filed. How, if you see the application number, particular application number, all the details you will fetch there. Everything is available in our patent office website. So once it is published, that means it is all the forms are available online to all the applicants, all the interested person or all the persons. So you can access this patent and you can see whether this invention is closely associated with you. Like that, thousands of patents are available for publication or published. Okay, every Friday we are publishing in our patent office journal. Okay, so like this publication, we are publishing only after 18 months every Friday, and we are not publishing only where secrecy directions are imposed by the government of India. That means if any patent is related to defense, like ISRO, jet, like pistol, some aerospace gun is there, or some bulletproof jackets, some defense related products are available, then we are referring to the Defense Ministry for clearance. After getting clearance, then we are publishing such kind of patents here. And we are not publishing once patent has been abandoned. So we are not, those patents we are not publishing. Okay? That means under section 9(1), if you don't fail to file complete specification within 12 months, those publication we are not publishing. And if we withdraw your application within 15 months, okay, so once you file the provisional patent application, within 12 months you can file a complete specification. And if it is withdrawal by the applicant, so we are not published such patent. There is a Form 18A is also available now. Recently, in around last year only, this Form 18A already is there, but these rules are amended actually, in which not only applicant as a startup, okay, earlier what happened, only startup and those who are filing international application can file Form 18A. First, you must understand actually this Form 18A. What is this Form 18A? Okay. Nowadays, what happened? There is actually pendency in patent office. Some pendency in mechanical group and electrical group. We have 4 groups: mechanical, electrical, biotech, chemical. So mechanical and electrical, there are a lot of pendency. Okay, but in chemical group and biotech group, this Form 18A is not as such required. I'm not recommending. There is as such no pendency. So you can immediately examine your patent application and proceed for further patent. Okay. But in electrical and if your invention is related to electrical group or mechanical group, so you can use this Form 18A. What is this Form 18A? Form 18 means request for examination. Form 18 means request for examination. This Form 18A means request for early examination, expedite examination. So it will be different queue. Okay, your application will be, we can see from the website, thousands of applications are granted or processed in 1 year, maximum 1 year. Maximum 1 year it is processed. Many patents are being processed. Okay, so if you file this Form 18A, your application immediately come to the examination, and it will be examined and it will be early disposed by the patent office. But who can file this patent application? Who can file this Form 18A? This is very important. Earlier only startup can file. Only startup can file this Form 18A, and those who are filing international applications and choosing India as a ISA, they can file this Form 18A. But last year we changed the rules. Now, if you are the ladies, one of the applicant is ladies. For example, applicant, I am telling about one of the applicant is ladies. Okay, applicant. Okay, there are for example 3-4 persons are there. They are male, and one of the applicant is ladies. Then in that case, Form 18A can be filed. Then next is startup can file. MSME, your company is MSME, they can file. If your organization is government organization, can file. If your institute is government, governed by the government of India, government, not government of India, government, you can file Form 18A. And so 2-3 more options are available. So those applications, you can, in that case, you can file this Form 18A. 2-3 are if you are the signatory of the treaty, like Japan, we have the treaty with the Japan, so they can file. Japan can file a Form 18A. But this expedite examination is very important. Before that, you should file Form 9 also. So some mistakes they are doing. For example, if you file application in 2020, so you should file provisional and complete immediately. Then you file Form 9 early publication, and then you file the Form 18A. Simultaneously also you can file, so that your application immediately will be proceeded. But this is recommended once when you want to very expedite process. Okay, you want to make your product in market immediately, so that no infringement will be there. In that case, this Form 18A is as such required. Otherwise, you can proceed for normal examination. Now, these forms are available online. As I told, I just want to show you. This is form number 1. This is very simple form. Form number 1, it requires only type of application. It is very simple form. Applicant details. You can write down your applicant details. You can write down the category of applicant, natural person. This is the already filled form which is filled by the particular agent. Okay. You can ordinary patent application. You can write down your address. Okay. Then inventor name. You can write down your inventor name, title of your invention. Okay. He has filed the invention. Actually, he is a registered patent agent. Address of service is very, very important. Write down your mobile number and email ID. Email ID is very important. All the communications we are sending only through electronic means. Okay. We are sending only through electronic means. If you want to change this email ID, you can file Form 13 as well. This is very simple form. Anybody can file this form. This is the declaration as I am discussing with you. So declaration by the inventors. Okay. This is the declaration by the inventors. So here you should sign. The inventor is signing this declaration. That means all the rights have been assigned to the applicant. And last is signature of the either patent agent can sign, registered patent agent, or applicant can sign. Applicants are suppose 4 or 5, then all 4 applicants should sign here and upload a document. This is form 3. As I told, form number 1, form number 2, form number 3, and form number 5 and 18 are only required. 1, 2, 3, 5, 18. Form 3 is also very easy form. It is asking about the foreign filing details, whether you have filed in foreign. Okay. So for example, this is the applicant name and this is the name of country. You can write down nil statement, none. You have not filed anywhere and you can sign. This is the form 3. You have to give the declaration whether applicant has been filed in any country. So you are undertaking that if I file application in foreign country, you will intimate to this office within 6 months. You can refile this form 3 within 6 months. Now this is form 9, early publication. You want to make early publication request, again very simple. Applicant name, patent application number, file on, sign, very easy. So form 18A, again form 18A or form 18. So applicant name again, title of invention, date of filing, and address. Okay, and in form 18A, he is the startup company and he has filed the international application. So that's why he is filing form 18A. Signature. This is very simple form. Again, it is not a very difficult task to file all these forms. Many times in government, form filling is very difficult. But if you practice, if you see our website and see the 4 or 5 applications, you will come to know how to file. Form 5. Okay. Applicant name, inventor's name, and signature. This is the declaration of the inventors. How many inventors are there? You have to do declaration. This is form 2. Now this is very important form. Form number 2. See here, it is a complete specification. That's why they are writing complete. When it is a provisional, you can write down here provisional specification. Okay. Title, applicant name. If you file here form 8, so your inventor's name also there. Okay. And preamble to the description. See here. Now, next coming to the field of invention. This specification will contain field of invention. That means this invention is related to dispensing system for LNG, for automobile or natural gas. Okay. Then background of invention. Background means you are discussing the prior art, what is available in prior art. Okay. So what are the problems available in prior art you can discuss. So they are discussing what is available in prior art. You can discuss some patents or some publications on prior art and what is the problem there and how this prior art and your inventions are discussed different. You can discuss here. Summary of invention. You can summarize your invention. Okay. Then brief description of drawings. In chemical or pharmaceutical, there are no drawings available. But if drawings are available, you can give brief about the drawings. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. What that view is. Generally, you can take figure 1 as a prior art. Okay. So this is about the figures. And in detailed description of invention. See here, line numbers are also there. You can see 5, 10, 15, as I told. Detailed description of invention. You can discuss now all the figures you can explain here. When you are writing any books, all the figures are there only with the detailed description. But here in this patent, all the drawings are at the end of the specification. We will come to that. See, here all the drawings are now explained. You can give the various embodiments of your invention. You can give examples here, how invention has given any surprising effect. Figure 6, they are explaining. Figure 1 and 2. So all reference number they are using. So they are explaining. You can make a chart of reference number also. figure 3, figure 9, figure 10. You can explain all the figures, how this invention will work. You can give with reference to the drawings. Need not require so long. This invention is having such things. That's why this invention is of so many pages. So last, the claims. It will start with the claim. Next page. So claim 1. Okay. Claim 2, claim 3, claim 4. So this is the most important of the specification. Claims are very important. And signature of the applicant. So this is your form number 2. Entire patent specification is your form number 2. Now see the drawings. Drawing should mean again next page. They are not describing anything. Using only a reference number, and all these reference number are explained there. Figure 1, reference numbers are explained there. Sheet 1 of tail, applicant name and signature. It is required. This is the format of your drawing. If you see the drawings here. Okay. Then abstract. Okay, you can give a brief about your invention within 150 words, and you can take a actual figure which is closely related to your inventions. Okay, so this is your actually entire specification. I will close this. So now various types of patent application: ordinary patent application, convention application, PCT application, patent of addition, divisional application. We will only file ordinary patent application. Okay, so always file provisional specification. Always it is recommended to file provisional specification. Okay, and within 12 months you can file the complete specification. Okay, within 12 months, there is a 12-month time. The provisional specification gives the date of priority. We will come to that. So it is very important. If you fail to file within 12 months, your application will be abandoned under section 21. Or you can directly file complete specification with the claim part. Okay, the complete specification should contain the claims. Okay, so what is the provisional specification? When some idea is in your mind and that idea should be very concrete, you can write down. So you can file the provisional specification. It does not contain claims. Okay. You can give broad as alternative, as many as alternative. And complete specification, again, it should contain the claim part. As I told, it should disclose all technical aspects of your invention. All the details, based mode, sufficiently, all the alternatives are discussed as per the Patent Act, section 10. Complete specification disclose the technical information written to the exclusive right for the limited time. So you are getting the monopoly right for 20 years, but you should disclose fully and particularly all the inventions about the best mode and sufficiently and very clearly. Don't hide anything, and you should disclose all the things here in patent specification. So most of the important part of the patent is claim part. As I discussed, it defines the boundary. What is the claim? Claims are defining the boundary for your invention. It actually protects your invention. You don't want to disclose everything, but whatever the important parts, what problems you are trying to solve, that should be claimed. It should not be forgotten in your claims. Okay, it should be written in one sentence. This should be noted. One claim should be written in one sentence. If you practice, it is a preferred embodied two-part format. For example, characterizing by, wherein you can use in your claim part. So it defines where exactly your invention is having novel and inventive features. Okay. Like some examples here, the apparatus comprising plurality of printed pages. Okay, some example actually, an apparatus comprising plurality of printed pages, a binding configured to hold the printed pages together and a cover attached to the binding. This is the claim 1. So it is in one single sentence. So it is a apparatus having plurality of printed pages, binding configured to printed pages, and covered attached to the binding. Very simple. Some more example. This is racket is there. I think the device comprising handle. First is handle, a head portion connect to the set handle. Then characterizing that. Characterizing means this is the, after this characterizing part is the novel and inventive feature. Okay. And anti-slippage means. Okay. Anti-slippage means is secure to said handle. See, these things are available here. So this is the anti-slipping means. Okay. Somebody can say this use prostitution, a gaming device comprising a handle, head portion connected to the handle, and prostitution using same thing. Okay, to the handle. So anything you can use. You can use any alternative words also. So next claim, baby, device. You can use second claim. A device as claim in claim 1. Anti-slippage means is a prostitution predisposed at the central portion of the handle. Central portion of the handle. Okay. Not necessary here and there. You can use central portion also. In third claim is a game device according to claim 2, characterizing that this prostitution is configured to receive the palm to the user. Okay. So these type of claims you can draft. You have to make practice for such kind of patent drafting and claim drafting. Some more example, a chemical compound, for example, any chemical compound is there, then chemical compound consists of 50% of A compound, 25% of B compound, and 25% of C compound. You can also see the many, and suppose a process claim is there, then a process comprising a step A, step B, step C. So if any method or process is there, then you can have such claims. So as discussed, the patent specification contains title, technical field, background art, disclosure, brief description of drawing, detailed description of drawing, examples, claims, drawing, and abstract. Okay. Now coming to the process, actually, the patent process, how patent is dealing. When you file the patent application, it will be early publication or publication after 18 months. Okay. So early publication means if you file the form 9, then it can be early published. Normally it will be published only after 18 months. So what is the purpose of publication? Is to the opposition. So any opposition is, any interested person is there. Here actually in pre-grant opposition, any person can file the opposition. So they can file, it is a representation only. It is a help to the patent office for to not to grant any wrong patent. Okay. You can give the evidence. Any person can give, after this publication, any person can give the evidence that it is already in use, already manufactured, already not novel, like that. So patent office will reject those patent applications simply. Okay. And definitely when you file this form 18, then patent will be examined. So it will come to the examination section. We will examine all this application, and based on the findings, patent will be granted and refused. Then again it is published in the Patent Office Journal. Again there is a opposition time of 1 year. If no opposition, patent will be finally granted. So this is the processing of patent applications. So before filing of patent application to the Patent Office, one important thing is you should search. So before processing actually, so once your idea clicks to your mind, you should first search in various patent office website. For example, ipindia.gov.in, Google Patents. Google has developed website for that. patentsgoogle.com, European Patent Office website. Putting some keywords or putting some classification. There is a classification of patent also according to various field, electrical field, chemical field, physics. So there is a various classifications are available. If you go to Patent Scope website, you can get the classification of patent application as per the various field, and you can search there. So it will use for you, and definitely it is not language barrier. It is very useful actually. By putting some keywords may affect. you will get exact search or not. But classification search is very important for searching actually for patent. So you must have some search before filing to the patent office. And definitely my suggestion, at least you read 10 to 15 patents before the filing to the patent office. Okay, so definitely you can become a good patent drafter. You can use while searching, I don't want to, you can use the OR operator. Okay, you can use NOT operator and operators. Next is in patent office, you want to file, if you want to file application in foreign, for example, outside India, America or Japan or European, it is patentable in that countries. Okay, many times some things are not patentable as per the section 3 of the Patent Act in India. Okay, but there are, this is the fact about the Indian, but in this which is not patentable in India, it's not like that ki all over the world it is not patentable. So some items are patentable in other countries, you can file in those countries also. But you cannot directly go to that patent office. You have to seek, if you are the Indian national, if you are the Indian resident, you have to apply for foreign filing permission. This is very important. Form number 25 is there along with the prescribed fees, 1600 for the natural person, and for the company it is a 8,000. So once you file form 25, you will get the permission within 21 days. So with form 25, you have to give the disclosure of your invention. Okay, and you can get the within permission within 21 days. Days are defined. So within 21 days means you will get permission within 2-3 days also. Okay, so office will screen about whether the invention is related to the defense or not. Okay, and if any objection, patent office will again recommend to the Ministry of Defense for getting clearance. Then it will take time to get clearance. Okay, after that you can file, or in that case, other case, you can file to the patent office website in Indian Patent Office, any provisional patent application, and wait for 6 weeks, and later on, if there is no objection from patent office, no communication from patent office, then within 6 weeks, if there is no communication, so after 6 weeks you can file to the various countries. So in that case, if you file in India, wait for 6 weeks, no foreign filing permission is required. Okay, unity of invention, this is very important again. For one patent application, you can file one problem and solution, you can file one patent application. For product and process, you can file in a single patent application. Apparatus or device and method of manufacturing that same device, it is coming under the unity of invention. For your example, you are solving one problem and you are giving one solution. For example, this is the telephone instrument and having some receiver. So you can get one patent for that. But invention is related to receiver and keyboard. Okay, this is the two different patent. So you have to file in two different patent applications for that. Okay. So I think my presentation is over. Any queries we can discuss now?
Yes, sir. Yes, Dr. Borkar, sir, thank you so much. And in fact, we'll now switch over to the question and answer session. But first, there was some network issue and we regret that. But then thanks to Nadeem, he has been with us for 2 days handling all these issues. There is 2-3 questions have come and you have answered them in your presentation, but I would still like to request you to, please respond to these questions. The very first one is from Dr. Ubale, and that is regarding like in many cases what happens, the inventor's name is either inadvertently or advertently missed out. And so what happens if somebody's name gets dropped out of the, the patent filing form, and how to include that name? That is one. And the second corollary to that is how to raise an objection to that. Of course, you have mentioned about the time frame to raise opposition, but the exact process, like say for example, my name is dropped and what should I do now? Kindly respond to this.
Actually, there is a opposition is there. If there is a form section 25(1) pre-grant opposition is available. Under section 25(1), any wrongfully obtaining of patent, okay, there is one of the ground that any wrongful obtaining of patent, so you can stop by taking the reference that this patent has been granted without consent of mine. Okay, so you can give the evidence that, but before that, if you are your applicant is agreed, okay, all inventors are agreed to add that missing inventor, and if you are giving in affidavit and notarized that all the assignments between all the inventors and the new inventors also, so there should be separate deed of assignment between the new inventors and all the old inventors, and definitely applicant should also agree that new inventors addition is no problem to him. In that case, you can, very rare actually, but you can add the inventor name into patent office, into patent, same patent.
Yes, thank you, sir. There are two questions, one from Shraddha Gaikwad madam, and the other is from Mr. Vipul Chalotra. I'm going to club both of them together. Of course, this was answered like very early, but please kindly respond to these questions again. One is there any specific link to download all these forms? And the second is, can we fill the forms online?
Yes, forms are online available. There is a comprehensive e-filing module is available. Only requirement is digital signature. Class 2 or class 3 digital signatures are required. All the manuals are available in our website. If you go to the e-filing portal, so manual for digital signature, manual for online filing is available. You can go to the manual and definitely you can file online forms. And for the hard copy of all these forms, also it is available. If you see our patent office manual or patent rule 2020 or patent act and patent rules, okay, so these things are available there. All the forms are freely available. You can download it.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, here is an interesting question from Dr. Anuradha Nandrunkar, and she's saying that is there any guidance provided by government to the students if they have some research and want to flip patent under the startup schemes? It's a startup scheme related patent.
MSME is generally providing all the guidance. MSME is having a lot of funds are also for programs, and they are giving some amount also for filing of patent application. DTI, Department of Electronics, is also giving a lot of money to file a patent application. As such, government is no such scheme for the students.
Yeah, Dr. Dhananjay Gavne, sir, has attended your session, and he has come up with a question. Like, you know, around us, there are many simple but interesting machinery or some innovative things lying, you know, and nobody knows the inventor. So is it possible to patent such products? A small, little, very useful, and the origin is not known.
But if it is not novel, so it cannot be patented.
Okay.
But the main important thing is it should be novel, inventive. Then you can go for that.
Okay. And there is one more question from Dr. Ubaye, and that is like, how do you, of course, you referred to examinations and all that, but then please tell us, how do you know or how do you find out the false claims?
So we have actually what happened, two-tier system, examiner, and first is examiner and then controller. So definitely examiner will examine all the application with reference to particular field. So what happened here, application will be referred to the examiner. Okay, examiner will check that application, read all the specification, contents of your application. We have the search engine. Okay, we have the separate private search engine, the government search engine, in which all over the data from all across the world is uploaded there. Okay, and in that by putting keywords, by putting they have their expertise, classification, and other examination reports are available if it is there. So accordingly, they will object it. One more thing is under section 25(1), opposition is also there. If any false claims are there, anyone can oppose also. Anyone.
Right.
on various grounds.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Prashant Daikhamane sir wants to know that is there any limit? Like, what is the limit for amendment to any of the forms or like the process?
Amendments can be carried out under section 57 and 59 of the Patent Act. Okay. So claims, actually what happened once you file the patent application or draft patent application, amendments as such is not allowed. You cannot add new features or new drawings or new matters into the specification after it is filed. That's why I request you always at least read 10 to 15 specification and then go for the patent. So you cannot, patent controller will not allow you to, forgotten views are not allowed. And मैं भूल गया उस टाइम पे लिखने के लिए, but it is not allowed. But again, it depends on controller to controller how much amendments are allowed. It is again subject to the controller's discretion as per the Form 13 of the Patent Act.
Yes. Sir, you talked about the fees and charges for filing the patent, but then I mean, one of our colleague wants to know what are the general charges for the agents?
Sorry, actually, sir, advocates and agents are different actually. Their fees are varied, like doctors. Doctors, for example, if you are go to one doctor, the fees will be 20 rupees. Another doctor, the fees will be 100 rupees. Another doctor, fees will be 1000 rupees. So it depends on his expertise or person to person, category to category. So as such, fees are not been fixed.
Okay, this was from Dr. Jadhav, yes.
Yes,
and
yes.
then Swapnil Arshad wants to know that how it differs. I mean, what is the difference between the fees and expenses for patent filing in India and US? So is there any portal or is there any link where they can get this info?
He can let me know. I can give the information in his email ID.
Okay.
I will give the comparison. In my screen, it is available. You can email me also. I will give the differences.
Okay. So there is one final question we'll take, and then I will invite Dr. Chetan Maskram to continue the proceedings. Here is one question from Shri Prashant Daikhamane sir, that when the status under the amendment is changed, right? When is the status under the amendment is changed? Like when he wants to know that when the office changes, makes the changes.
Form 13 actually, there is an option for Form 13 for any amendments to the patent application. For example, any amendment in inventors or change, slight corrections of inventor name, applicant name, address, or patent specification also. By filing Form 13, you can file the Form 13 for amendments. So there is a Rex department. It is a front office actually. Our front office will allow that form. Okay. Then Form 13 will be allowed subject to the approval by examiner and controller. There is a link of controller and examiner. They will allow, and after that amendments will be reflected in website.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. I just want to make it clear one more time that we'll soon be sending feedback forms. We'll keep the link open till 23rd. And I now invite my colleague, Dr. Chetan Kumar Masram, to please propose vote of thanks.
Thanks, Principal Dr. Akhilesh Peswe, sir. Good afternoon to one and all. Just now I made a quote by observing this 2 days program of faculty development program. I would like to present this first. Respected ma'am, respected sir, innovation is not a, moreover, innovation and invention is not a filling of vessels, but a kindle of a mind, kindle of a brain, kindle of ideas to give rise to the world of intellectual property rights. Honorable Dr. Pankaj Borkar sir, Deputy Controller of Patent and Design, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. Respected Principal Dr. Akhilesh Peswe, Dharapet MP Memorial Science College, Nagpur. Respected Principal Dr. Vikas Domne sir, Gondia Educational Societies, J.M. Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Bandara. Respected Principal Dr. D.B. Naik, Dr. M.K. Umathe College, Nagpur, respected Principal, Dr. Ramkrishna Tale, Barrister Sheshrao Wankhede College of Arts and Commerce, Khaparkeda, Nagpur, respected coordinators, IQAC, and of all organizing colleges, respected coordinators, innovations and incubation cell of all organizing colleges, all enthusiastic participants, respected principals, professors, researchers, students, and all from far off places from all over India. I, Dr. Chetan Kumar Masram, Principal, SN Moore College of Arts and Commerce and Srimati G.D. Saraf Science College, Tumsar, District, Bhandara, immensely pleased and feel honored to present vote of thanks and concluding mark for these 2 days faculty development program. On this 2 days faculty development program on innovation and intellectual property rights, organized by the age-old and state-of-art 5 institutions, especially Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Gondia Education Societies, J.M. Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Bhandara, Dr. M.K. Umathe College, Nagpur, Barrister Sheshrao Wankhede College of Arts and Commerce, Khaparkeda, Nagpur, and Gondia Education Societies, SN Moore College of Arts and Commerce and Srimati G.D. Saraf Science College, Tumsar, District, Bhandara, in collaboration with Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. And I am pleased to inform you that participants from distant places and states of India like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, and other far-off places registered and vehemently participated in faculty development program. It shows importance and relevance of the topic intellectual property management. May I take this opportunity to present the views that our whole ambitions in the faculty development program is to set in motion a machinery that will bring noble ideas to the door of everyone. One can discern the constant prospects on quality achievement being made through this faculty development program. Everyone, each unit, honorable management of the institutions, the principals, the professors, the researchers, the students, all learners have contributed towards making this faculty development program a reputed one. And I hope, will also continue to do so. On behalf of all 5 institutions, I anticipate their cooperations in future also. I humbly thanks a lot to our most learned speakers for today's faculty development program, respected Dr. Pankaj Borkar sir, who specially presented his views, very informative and useful for patent filing process. And as you know, yesterday, day 1 of faculty development program, respected Dr. Mrs. Pooja Maulikar, examiner of patent and design, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur, has delivered a lecture on understanding intellectual property rights. Really, from her elaborate and lucid speech, I must say that we comprehended intellectual property right. Both the sessions was very interactive. Madam, sir, I may say that we thoroughly understood the intellectual property right and patent filing process. Thank you, sir and madam. Furthermore, Dr. M, may I take this opportunity to thank him his elaborate introductions. Mrs. Pooja Maulikar, examiner of patent and design, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur, delivered a lecture on the topic understanding intellectual property rights. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Dr. Vanika sir. Secondly, at the onset, Dr. Akhilesh Peswe, Principal Dharampet, MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, welcomed the renowned speaker and organizers. He said it is difficult to think successful teacher without innovations. I thank him for his remarks. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. Naik, Principal, Dr. D.B. Naik, Dr. M.K. Umathe College, Nagpur, explained the objectives of the faculty development program. I thank him for his comprehensive talk. And my colleague principal, respected Dr. Vikas Dhomne, has made an introductory remarks yesterday from J.M. Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Bandara, pointed out research culture existing in Canada. He narrated that his son in Canada is working from home since 3 months. He obtained all the facilities and softwares required for research purpose at home on his PC. Such is the research culture in Canada and other developed countries. No wonder that their applications for patent and industrial design rights are quite high in number and quality in these countries. I thank to Dr. Kale sir, Dr. Kale sir, Principal Barrister Shesh Ravan Khade College, for his introductory remark yesterday, especially the vote of thanks. He summed the whole day's proceeding and enlightened participants on intellectual property rights, managements. I thank him for elucidatory vote of thanks. Today, I express deepest gratitude towards Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur, for collaborating with us in organizing this faculty development program and anticipate help, MOUs, and collaborations in future also. I once again thank renowned speaker, Mrs. Pooja Maulikar and Dr. Pankaj Borkar, Madam and Sir, the participants, and we will approach you in need in this regard. To make the faculty development program successful, many known and unknown hands extended help. I thank them all. I express gratitude to the management of Gondia Educational Societies, Gondia, management of Dharampet, MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, and the management of all other colleges for their inspirations and motivations to organize such a program. Their go-ahead signal inspires us to organize such academic events. I thank technical hands for helping efficiently and smoothly conduct of the faculty development program, especially Shri Nadeem Khan for the technical support on both the days, Certificate Council for supporting us, the certificate service. Special thank to Dr. Prashant Ambekar for designing the registration and feedback. And finally, I thanks to all these 5 colleges, my friends, respected principals, for organizing such a mega event. Last but not least, I express my gratitude to dear participants. You all, I am sure you would have benefited from this faculty development program. And once again, I would like to quote few words in our Indian language. इतनी सी बात हवा को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना. इतनी सी बात हवा को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना. इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स ने ऐसे विचार दिए हैं हमें, इस विचार को हमेशा दिल में बसाए रखना. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Wow, wonderful. I request Mr. Nadeem Khan to close this meeting now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
I'm closing, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.
I request Dr. Dhomne sir to end meeting for all.
Dr. Karthik Panikar is the host now.
Sir, you are the host now.
I am the host now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I close the meeting.
Or we can leave individuals can leave. I can see Karthik. Karthik, can you?
Yeah,
leave?
sir, I am on another meeting. University का faculty का meeting चालू है.
Sir, just end the meeting for all.
Yes,
And it
sir.
stops the live stream.
I'll end the meeting, sir.